Seeing the dreaded error 3371 in QuickBooks Desktop? This licensing and digital signature error can stop you in your tracks, but the fix is usually straightforward. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This error often means QuickBooks can't verify your license, usually due to corrupted local program files. The first and simplest fix is to rename your QB data folders. Close QuickBooks, then find and rename these specific folders in your file system. This forces QuickBooks to create fresh, clean versions when it restarts. If that doesn't work, you'll likely need to completely uninstall and reinstall QuickBooks Desktop. Use the QuickBooks Tool Hub, a free official tool from Intuit. It has a dedicated Program Problems section that can cleanly uninstall the software so you can perform a fresh install. My crucial pro tip: use the QuickBooks Tool Hub first. Before you start renaming folders manually, download and run the Tool Hub. Its automated fixes for this specific error are often the fastest and most reliable path to a solution. Stay calm, follow the steps, and you'll be back up and running. Has error 3371 ever interrupted your workday? Share your war stories in the comments. For clear fixes to frustrating tech problems, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.